Hi, I'm Teacher Johannie, and let us begin our online math class. Our lesson for today is how to find the GCF and LCD of given numbers by continuous division. This lesson series prepares new students to important topics in algebra and geometry. Finding the GCF and LCD is an essential skill a new student should be able to master. In this lesson, the focus is to find the GCF and LCD of numbers using one of the many techniques available, that is, via continuous division with prime numbers. To find the GCF and LCD of the given numbers, we use this technique called division by prime numbers only. I also call it the 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 rule. Find a possible prime divisor from the prime number list. Begin your search for a possible prime divisor from the lowest prime number. Use the prime divisor found for as long as it can divide the numbers. Proceed only to the next higher prime number when all the lower prime divisors have been exhausted or are not able to divide the numbers anymore. In our example, the first possible prime divisor from the list is 2. Therefore, we will use the prime number 2 as our first prime divisor. Next, proceed to divide the numbers. Divide 126 by 2 to get 63. Divide 70 by 2 to get 35. Divide 42 by 2 and we shall have 21. Divide negative 210 by 2 and we shall have negative 105. Next, we go one lower level down. Find a possible divisor for the numbers in this level. Prime number 2 can no longer be used again as a divisor since it cannot divide numbers 63, 35, 21, and negative 105, which are all odd numbers. We proceed our search for the next prime divisor based on the ascending order of the prime numbers on the prime list. Our search brings us to prime number divisor 7, and since prime numbers 3 and 5 cannot divide these numbers, therefore, prime number 7 will be the second prime divisor in our example. Divide the numbers by 7. The resulting quotients are the numbers 9, 5, 3, and negative 15. Now, by inspection, we could no longer find any prime number divisor able to divide these numbers. Therefore, our division process has to end somehow. If you can still remember, we can get the GCF of these numbers by simply multiplying all prime divisors found, such as 2 and 7 in this example. Multiplying 2 and 7 gives us 14. Which becomes the GCF of numbers 126, 70, 42, and negative 210. To find the LCD of the numbers, we extend the process a little bit. That is, by including the bottom numbers in multiplication such that 2 times 7 times 9 times 5 times 3 and finally times 15. Notice that we have ignored the negative sign of the number 15. In calculating the LCD, we will ignore the sign of the numbers and assume that they are all positive. Therefore, we found our LCD to be the product of 2, 7, 9, 5, 3, and 15, which is 28,350. Hence, the LCD of the numbers 126, 70, 42, and negative 210. Thank you for watching. I'm Teacher Johannie. Don't forget to like this video. And if you're new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and tap the bell button to get timely notifications so you won't be missing out future lessons.